up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we have a very special package today. This package is straight from the Bigfoot shop, so this is a very, very special and intriguing package. Alright, so as most of you guys do know if you're on the Facebook Monster Truck Collecting group, that basically the Team Bigfoot website was able to get the 45th anniversary Bigfoot trucks in stock before Walmart's and I would say Targets, but I haven't really seen any Hot Wheels monster trucks in Target, so I don't know what's going on with that. But when they first appeared, I ended up ordering a couple of them, and today is currently October 10th, the date of filming. So I did order these quite a bit, a decent time ago, and they just came now. Now the main reason for that was the people over at Bigfoot, the guys that packaged them and everything, they wanted to make sure the corners and everything weren't bent, and they really wanted to make sure that the cards were in good shape for people that collect them and stuff like that. So they actually took the time to make sure everything was packaged very nice, very neatly, and to where basically the cards and everything on the trucks would not get damaged. Now, as you can see the box right here, I only ordered, I believe 3. I cannot remember how many I actually did order, but the clincher of this whole thing is I actually ordered them from Team Bigfoot a couple weeks ago, and to my surprise, the Walmart in Bayonne, New Jersey, actually ended up having the mix with the 45th anniversary Bigfoot. So I only found one in that Walmart, which was pretty cool. So I did get one, luckily. Now, I do believe I did order 3. I'm not 100% sure. I really don't remember. But yeah, I thought this was actually the package for the Mohawk Warrior, the vampire truck. But I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know. So, yeah, this was kind of a big surprise because I didn't forget about this package. I knew it was coming, but I was totally expecting a Spin Master truck and not a Hot Wheels truck. So, let's see here. So, here is the packaging. And here we go. So, we got a nice little piece of, construction paper. And here they are. So, I believe I did get 3. I can't remember. So, as you can tell, this is how they are packaged in here. From my point of view so far, it doesn't look like any cards are bent. So, let's take these out here and take a closer look. So, here we go with one Bigfoot 45th anniversary. And this one's a little bent on the sides. But that's okay. That's minor. It's nothing, really bad. But still, that's pretty good. Here is truck number 2, and I believe I did get 4 of them. So, truck number 2, the card is in a lot better shape. So, there we go with that one. And I did get 4, so I actually do have 5 of these now. That's... I totally forgot. And this card's in good shape as well. So, the guys over at Team Bigfoot, you guys did an amazing job packaging this. This one's not bent or anything. I'm just making sure here. You can't really do anything about these corners down here. That's fine to me. I mean, I don't know if some people really hate it when it comes a little bent like that, but to me, that's okay. And yeah, so only one truck was really kind of bent, to say the least, but it wasn't even really that bad. I'll put that one over here on the side. But yeah, here they are, the 45th anniversary Team Bigfoot. This, I believe, is the 4th Bigfoot that we are seeing this year. And this was a kind of weird one, because the paint scheme here with the 45th anniversary, I like it. I really do like it. I can't wait to actually see this thing open and out of the box. And, of course, it's that Bigfoot casting, which we did not see this Bigfoot casting in 2020 yet. The only time we saw it was in I believe, a Target exclusive 5-pack. So, that's pretty cool. And here are the other trucks in this mix as well. So, the one that I don't have yet, and I can't find it, is 2 School. The school bus one up here. I was lucky enough to find Bigfoot 45. I guess we can call it Bigfoot 45. And also the 70 Dodge Charger and Operation Stomp and Hot Wheels Special Force Tactical. And then of course you got your doubles over here, or repeats, with Will Trash Law, which I must admit, that is a pretty cool truck. And then the Oscar Mayer Wiener, which is, I love that thing. And then the one that pretty much everyone does not like, and that's the Camaro. So I forget what mix this mix or case actually is. I believe it might be H, L, or M, somewhere in that ballpark. If you guys know, let me know in the comments, because I totally forget. And as you guys can tell, it is truck number 70 out of 75. And I believe this is the 4th different Bigfoot we are seeing. So hopefully you guys, if you ordered it from Team Bigfoot, your package did come today in the mail. Mine came today. It took a little bit, but it's alright, because they wanted to make sure, and they wanted to pack everything, get the right size boxes, and I tip my hat to those guys, because these all came very, very mint. One is a little bent like that, but as you can tell, it's not even that bad. It's nothing like if you guys ordered from the Monster Jam Superstore and just seen a lot of those pictures that some of you guys ordered, like the Freebird truck and last year with the Halloween truck, how they came all crumpled and destroyed, and yeah. But yeah, Team Bigfoot, you guys did a good job packaging this. Highly recommend it. If you guys can't find this in Walmarts by you or Targets, I highly recommend going there to the website. They have a ton of other Bigfoot merchandise, obviously. They also had the green light trucks. I don't think they have the exclusive ones, but they do have some green light ones, and they got that really cool 1/18 scale Bigfoot now I just saw on Facebook, so that's pretty cool as well. But yeah, with that being said, guys, let me know if you ordered Bigfoot 45, or I guess Bigfoot 45, or 45th anniversary. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, let me know if you guys ordered this, or if you guys were lucky enough to find it in the store. And I can't wait to actually see this thing out of the package, which we will be reviewing that very shortly here. But here they are, 4 of them. And hey, I do have 5 of these, so if you guys are looking for one, most of you guys do know I always open one, and I always keep one, which is like the best card. I keep that in the collection. So if you guys are struggling and you guys do need one, let me know. I am more than willing to help out anybody. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you in another video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you guys very shortly.